marketing funnels and how best they can be used in small businesses. Now, before we get into the video, I just wanted to give a big thank you to all my new subscribers. I literally do a little dance every time I see a new name and that number increase. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. You make all the hard work, albeit really fun work, really worthwhile. So thank you. Now on to today's video, the exciting world of marketing funnels. Now what are they and why on earth would you actually need one for your business? Now I love finding out people's preconceptions of marketing theories and practices, so drop me a comment below on what your current idea of a good or any marketing funnel might be and whether one has actually worked for you before. So marketing funnels. Now as a startup, small business owner, or even if you've been in the field for quite some time, one important thing that helps you record your journey with both your new and old customers can be a marketing funnel, which is also better known as a sales or conversion funnel. Now, it's basically a roadmap created by a company that guides customers from their first interaction to becoming an actual paying customer. Now, many times you see small businesses fail with reasons including the lack of an actual marketing funnel, which can also serve as a means of tracking customers and, equally as important, generating new ones. So we see how this is shown to be a major part of a marketing plan, as it can compel customers to actually buy the products from a business. Now, apart from just attracting new customers to your business, your marketing plan, if effectively done, does a lot more for you. Some of which include that as a business owner, you are able to get the personal data of your clients, and in the end, you are left with loyal customers. And so in today's video, we're going to be looking at what a marketing funnel is and how best it can actually be used for small business. So if you're a small business owner or you're looking at starting your own small business, make sure you stick around to the end for some practical ideas on creating your own marketing funnel to bring new customers in and keeping them. Now, while you might have an idea already as to what a marketing funnel is, and also probably been drawn into one as a customer without maybe even realizing it, it is also important to understand that this funnel works really well as a digital marketing tool, as users can be attracted to adverts that are designed to look appealing to a potential customer. So, for example, a person randomly scrolling through the internet can click on your ad out of curiosity. As they continue to click, wanting to know even more about what you want to offer, sometimes getting more and more freebies, such as downloadables and interesting blogs and videos, etc., etc., they are eventually asked to provide an email address. Now, a few days later, this potential customer will technically get an email.
You've got mail.
With an offer that is very difficult to resist, especially because they've already received lots of freebies and will ideally feel positively that they're already a part of your company experience and want more about what you want to offer, as they now trust you. Or potentially in a negative sense, they've fallen into the obligated psychological trap whereby they've already had their gift or freebie, therefore they're in a form of debt to your company and they might feel obligated to actually purchase. Now, the power of reciprocity, I'll let that one up. It's very important to marketing and it's going to have its own video. But for this video, we're just going to say that freebies are a brilliant way of attracting new and current customers into your sales funnel and bringing them down towards your big buck option. Now, like I said earlier, clicking on these ads is the first step for a business owner to capture the target audience. But there's no putting out ads without actually knowing how to create a marketing funnel. So why don't we look at that first? Now, the first thing to consider before even starting off your small business is that you actually have enough capital to choose a traffic source, because this could be limiting. And by traffic source, we mean ways of promoting your core product. So will it be through paid ads or emails or even mass billboards in high populated cities? You know, this decision is for you to make based on how much you can actually afford. Now, if you figured that one out, your next priority is working out your target audience. Now, as a small business owner, you need to know exactly who your target audience is. It must be so specific so that your marketing can be really effective and sales can skyrocket. Now, in knowing your target audience, you are able to find out things like where they live and work and how they like to spend their time and money. Now that you are satisfied with all the information you need, this is the point where you engage in social media posts and online ads, whatever works for you. I mean, where do your target audience hang out, both online and in the real world? Where are they looking? What attracts their attention the most? That's where you need to be. Now, influential campaigns and promotional materials like perhaps flyers and billboard ads, they also go a really long way. And the best way to attract interest is to offer something for free with no obligation. So with this in mind, here is an example of what a basic sales funnel could look like thanks to singlegrain.com. And the actual reality is companies can have multiple funnels capturing attention and potential customers through blogs, paid ads, influencer marketing, or many other available channels where their target customer actually hangs out. So never assume there's only one way to capture new prospects. Now, one of the main reasons it's called a funnel is that it starts to draw people down to the actual sale. But also at the first stage, you may have many people, and it does start to thin out until you get fewer and fewer, and then the actual sale might be maybe 10% of the number that initially took up the starting hook. But the more you play about and adapt to the analytics that we all keep a very close eye on, the more productive your sales funnel will be and the higher percentage of actual purchases that will occur. So start off your funnel by understanding your target audience, who they are, where they are, both online and offline, and what their problem is that your product or company is going to fix. Then start the engagement and offer no obligation freebies. Whether this is valuable information in blogs, videos, invitations to webinars, downloadables that help them out in life, then it is up to you how many offers you might want to offer while starting to mention the actual products or services that you offer that will help them with their problem and be the answer they've been looking for. So what happens when your potential customer has clicked your ad? Now, what happens next when you have caught their attention and now you're able to engage them? This is a critical stage as a small business in securing your place in whatever market you've delved into. Now, if it's an online ad, a clean interface and attractive product photos will secure a customer's interest, or at the very least stop them from clicking off straight away. Another important note for things that will actually drive your potential customers' attention is reviews. Now, making your customer reviews paramount, as reports even show that displaying customer reviews can increase customer sales by 270%. So make sure you have lots of relevant ones online so people are drawn in more and not wondering if you're just another freebie scam out there. Your customers need to build their trust and relationship to be spending their hard-earned money, and reviews can be a way of helping a customer trust you enough to bring them into the marketing sales funnel and want to actually spend their hard-earned money with you. Now, keeping your customers happy has immense benefits for your business. Ironically, this is the least demanding stage for the actual business owner. When your loyal customers also recommend your product to their friends and colleagues, it dramatically increases the size of the revenue for your business. It is so effective to have customers that brag about your products and how it's made life easier for them. So in other words, your customer becomes your brand spokesperson or ambassador. And from here, the sky is really the limit for your business, and past customers can become an entry point to a new sales funnel or current sales funnel. So a recent example is a women's business website that I follow. Now, I watch her on YouTube and she's got an amazing setup of support and lessons on her website through a membership. But before you subscribe, she offers you multiple free downloadable content actually help you with your business already. Planners, webinars. I swear it felt like every new email was another useful freebie, and it really built my relationship and trust with her brand. And when the offer of a free trial came up for the membership, I was way more likely to join than when I first stumbled upon her videos. The relationship had been formed and I felt connected through all the freebies and connections, and probably psychologically obligated to buy more into the brand and company. Now, let me know in the comments below what you've tried, whether anything special has actually worked for you. How many freebies do you think might be enough, or maybe too many? Or is there such a thing? As always, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe so I can do a little happy dance, and hit the bell so you don't miss another upload. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!